Right, welcome back. Hope you all are enjoying your weekend. Okay, so today is Sunday, and Sunday is the best time to look at the market and analyze and see what you're looking at for the new week. So, just a clean chart. I won't go on to mark out what I did last week. I already posted it, my last video for the week. I post on Thursdays and sometimes Fridays to do a recap of how I took my trades during the week, and then Sundays to get us through what I'm expecting for the week. So this past few weeks of September has been really bullish. My first video for this month, I said we were still bullish from what we saw here for last month. We're still bullish. Now price has filled this monthly order block here. Exactly. So coming down to weekly, weekly will tell us quickly when we're about to start going down. Anyway, last week I said price closed above this weekly high, so I am expecting bullish. So after what price has done here this week, close cleanly above the previous week high, I'm still expecting more bull runs. But mind you, right from here, liquidity has been piling up. So I don't know if we have any news. If I have any news for this new week coming in, let me check. I was supposed to put this video to do my whole screen, but I didn't. So I'll just use my phone to check if we're going to be having any news this coming week, the last days of September. So from what I'm seeing here, no news on Monday. Okay, Tuesday we have some good news. It's coming in by 9:45 a.m. New York time, but personally I don't think it's going to have. It's on red. We all know that when you're checking your news calendar, the ones with the red color is highly effective. It has high impact on the market. But this is a flash manufacturing PMI and then flash services PMI. Personally, I don't think this would do something much. But then there's news on Tuesday, so that is the high impact news we're having on the USD. And Wednesday, there is no news on Wednesday coming in. So there is a news by 10 a.m. New York time, but then the news is not a high impact news, Then Thursday we have news by 8:30, final GDP. We have unemployment claims. Now this Thursday news is something I'm interested in. Thursday news is something that will surely impact the market well. and there's nothing on Friday. Then the remaining days of September. Okay, there's also that's the next week. Tuesday, there's a news coming in by 10 a.m. Okay, so there's also news on Wednesday, non-farm payroll. Oh, okay, that's for October. Okay, sorry. So these are the news that will be coming in for the final days of September, right? So like I said, the one that will be coming in on Tuesday, I don't actually see it as something, but I don't see it as something that will shake the market in a way. So, but then we have Thursday. So I'll be looking forward to Thursday, unemployment claims and final GDP. Okay, so looking at that, like I said, the liquidities. Now you come to daily, you see it clearly. You see how liquidities have been piling up. You see this liquidity here. This other block has been tested. You see this liquidity here. This other block has been tested. You see this liquidity here. Going down, you see liquidities, right? So at some point, I feel like price is going to at least come down to do something, right? So for this week, I'm expecting, prices to me is not giving me much to work with. So maybe by Tuesday, I will know what I will work with for the rest days. But now, this is how the market is looking. Weekly is continuing. Weekly is bullish. This week finished bullish. So last week finished bullish. So we're still continuing in the bullish. But then I am from the higher time frame. I'm not actually seeing something really convincing, right? So, but then let's see how Monday, Tuesday comes up. So probably if I'm gonna make another video, make it on Friday, and share what I saw. Then if you come to 1 hour, okay, you can see how this has been taken out. This liquidity here was taken out. This was the trade I took on Friday. April story, my last. So now this is interesting because from 1 hour I'm seeing this. Now whether it's going to hold, I don't know. But then I'm seeing this, so when price gets here, I will know. Like I said, I'm skeptical. I'm going to be very careful because the higher time frame hasn't been convincing enough because of the whole what's it called? Because of the whole liquidity I'm seeing there, and the key levels there has already been tested. So with the news coming out, I'm looking to see price actually starting to come down. Right? Looking to see price actually starting to come down. Plus I can't remember the video I did. But then in the whole of this structure, from this weekly momentum push, I marked this out. I don't know when it's going to happen, but then it's something that I believe will probably take place before this year runs out. Or not? We'll see. But then with NFP coming out next week, Friday, I think we'll see some pullbacks because there are liquidities all over here. Trend line liquidities all over here. You see liquidities here. So Without NFP coming back, I think we're going to see something like this. All right, so then I'm not, the market will show me, this is just my own analysis. I'm not trying to prove I'm goated in predicting price or something. No, whatever is going to happen, I will see it. Market will show me, but for now, I'm not actually convinced with all I am saying. So I will see if this level will be reacted on, and then whatever happens, I would put it out there for you all to see by Friday. That being said, if you're trading US30 for this week, stay safe, stay watchful, don't be in a rush. Just calm down and see what the market has to give you. If you're trading other pairs, same thing. Don't be in a rush. See what the market has to give you, Take notes from where you fell short last week, correct it, and do better this week than you did last week. All right? Take care. Have a beautiful, profitable trading week.